We're back at Walmart. No, we're not at Target. We are at Walmart. There always a competition, but Walmart, I say this time, they are kind of slow. I mean, they have a lot of clearance, but not as 50% off and not as 70% off like a Target for this month. Yeah, they like Walmart. They only have less $2, less $3. But I think I'm just gonna wait. It's been a long time. I have not checked the Walmart clearance because they're changing the pricing tag to a yellow tag, but it's almost the same price. Like seriously, if you've seen my previous video, you will see they changed the pricing tag to a yellow color tag, but it's almost the same price. It's just kinda, uh, we have to wait to go down for more, and otherwise, don't bother to look the price because I think Walmart increasing more. Increasing their prices, but on the other hand, Target, they're getting their prices on point. This is only the first part of my Walmart clearance because I got so dizzy and I don't know which one to to take a video because I'm taking a video on my other social media. So it's like okay. Plus the boys are like, "Mommy, let's go. No shopping today." But my camera today is blurry. My phone actually is getting blurry. I don't know why. I fixed okay. Now it's getting clear. Mostly cocoa melon, and they are not on the wall. There are not on the clearance aisles. They're on the regular aisles, mixed with the regular fries. And if you look closely with the price, oh, those I got from Target at 70% off. The big one on the bottom, I got it like $7 or $8 at Target, and those one I'm pointing at, uh, yes, they're on clearance at Target. The Candy Kids, yeah, at Target. Um, just keep an eye on them, I guess. There's so many, but other stores, I've seen other stores, actually my friends from other state, they said they already have more than 50% um discount for the toys, but I'm seeing here is like 15% off, 20% off, and the movie it's a Toby, seeing at Target there are like 70% off. Oh my gosh, look at the price. It's $81. Last year those on clearance on the bottom. No, we have keep an eye on those. They're yes. $7. No. No thank you. You can keep it. We have to just wait. And then even on the other side, all cocoa melon and $15. No, last time I remember it went down to $5. So don't buy it. See you on my next video.